for Christmas shopping. I'm so excited. I'm going to be decorating my bedroom for Christmas.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa.
Hey, what is up you guys? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be decorating my bedroom for Christmas. Shut up. I'm on FaceTime with my sister. Anyway, let's just say it's a little ways till Christmas, but I can't wait. I can't do it anymore. You know, I've tried, but I need to get into the Christmas spirit way before Christmas comes because it happens too quickly. I should say hey to the camera. Hi. Y'all, that's my nephew. Isn't he adorable? But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the state of my room now. Obviously I'll give you the after when we're done with everything, but for now, let's hop right into today's video. First things first, I won't have everything to be able to decorate my room with. I'm gonna get my Christmas stuff from up there. I have my tree over there, and then I have some Christmas music playing in the background, so let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna put my suitcase back up into the closet, and then I'm gonna get the decorations down from up there. How I should position my bed. Family picture! Nisha, should I leave my bed like this and then just put the tree over there in the corner? Or I push the bed on the side and put the tree over here? Okay. Alright, so I'm about to move my bed from the position from which it is in now, and we're gonna push it to the wall so my tree can be over by the pictures. Once I like pick up my room a bit, get back to you guys. Alright, so I got this area cleared now. I'm gonna take my tree out, set it up, and then put the lights on, and then I'm gonna wait until Amber's done doing whatever she's doing, and then we're gonna decorate the tree after that. I'm gonna test the lights to see if they still work. I'm praying they still work, so I don't have to buy any new ones. They work. So these lights aren't working, but there's a specific way that you can find which one had blown, because it should like have a dark spot like to the tip of the light. If not, I might have to buy some new lights. I'm not seeing any. Alright, so I think I'll wait until my mom gets home so she can help me with this. So I'm gonna just put those right back. I'll put the smaller lights on, but they'll only be like scattered throughout the tree just to give some light. For now, this will have to do. I guess I can move on to decorating the tree. The tree is now completed partially because my lights still aren't working. I love how it looks. It's so cute. Okay, go off. This Santa stop sign here, I got this at Kelly's. This I got at Home Fabrics, if you're wondering. The ornaments, all of these ones are from Kelly's as well. Moving on from the tree, I think I'm gonna decorate my desk area and then my drawer area. I got this small miniature tree from Home Fabrics. I just have these perfume and lotion set right here from Bath and Body Works. I think I want to add something else here, but I'm not exactly sure what yet. But I guess when I figure it out, I'll figure it out. But now I'm gonna move on to my desk area. I'm gonna clean this off, move the wig, put it away, and get this place looking really nice. So let's get started with that. Okay, I think I might switch the Christmas tree out with the DVDs, put them over here, and then stack the stuff up there. So let me do that real quick. So the next thing that I would normally do is hang up my stocking. This one is mine and this is my older sister's. I'm too lazy to get a nail and like put it into the door. I'm just gonna hang them up on the actual like door handle. Alright, so I'm about to clean up my room a bit more, and then once that's done I will come back and I will show you guys the end result. Hi MTV Cribs. Before we get into my actual room, down here I just have two stockings, my stocking and then my older sister's stocking, and then we move on over here, which is my dresser area. I still feel like it could use some more stuff, but for right now I just have these Christmas DVDs, perfume, and a lotion from Bath and Body Works because they look Christmassy, and then I have my broken snow globe set that I broke like by accident. Sorry, Daddy. Okay, then we come over to my desk area. So real quick, once again, I got this from Home Fabrics. This right here is from Kelly's. This is just a Christmas tree stump that I got last year. This had candy in it, but I just used it as decoration. And then this Christmas bag. And also down here on my chair area, this throw blanket is from Walmart, and then this is from the Q Club. Now we're gonna move on over to my resting area. This is my bed. I love it. So first things first, I have this duvet cover. It's just white from Amazon. This is my mom. She doesn't know that I took it, but hey mommy, what's up? It's just a red throw blanket. I'm still looking for the Christmas throw pillow covers so I could put over one of these, but can't find them. And then this throw blanket right here is from Walmart. We come over here to my tree. She's not 100% done because my lights, as you guys saw in the clip, they aren't working. I think I might have to get more. If not, I'm just gonna be lazy and just leave these up. So at 2 to 1, that's what I'm gonna do. But anyway, this is how my tree looks. Most of the ornaments, I'm not gonna lie, are from Kelly's, including the tree. And the ones like this is from Home Fabric. And this is just an old throw blanket that my family has had like for the longest time. Up here, it's just a Christmas bag. There's nothing in there. It's just a Christmas bag. So I'm gonna get some garland eventually to put around the edge of my closet. Okay, bye for now. See you here. It's expensive though. Okay guys, so for Christmas shopping, I'm so excited. I need a Christmas tree for my room. My bro. Take that up with daddy. Y'all see my best friend, Tommy? Wait, this is a boy. I mean, Tariq. Christmas socks, y'all, look. Okay. Angel, I know it's like the cute, but I want the fuzzy ones. What should we get? Let's get Rudolph. You want the 2 of us get Rudolph? Yeah. Okay. I don't like that one. How's that smell? Smells like a Christmas tree. Y'all, the bag has been secured. Alright guys, so it is now the next day. I'm going to show you everything that I got from Kelly's. It isn't a lot of stuff, but I'll show you guys before I actually completely decorate my room. Alright, so the first 2 things that I got were the garland. I was gonna originally get like the traditional garland, but I opted for these ones, plus they're way cheaper. So the next thing that I got was a new set of lights. This is just the 100 strand one. And then the last set of stuff that I got were some Christmas socks. My little sister and I, as you guys saw in the clip, we both got matching socks and they're both with Rudolph. So cute. I'm excited and I think I want to complete this now. Let's get started. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna try to figure out if the lights should go on first or should I put the garland right there. Let's try it. Okay, so this is how it looks. I don't think I'm gonna put the 100 strand lights around here anymore. I'm gonna put them on the tree and then I'm gonna take the 50 strand off of the tree and probably put it around the perimeter of my dresser. Once I'm done actually like putting all of the nails and things into the dresser, then I will come back to you guys and show you the end result. Alright guys, so the lights are now on the dresser. I love how it looks. I think it adds a nice little touch to it, so it's good. Now we're gonna move on back to my tree, and I just put the 100 strand lights on it. I didn't really take my time. I kind of just put them all throughout the tree. As you can tell, there's a ton up here. So yeah, that is the end of today's video, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. That is my completed holiday room decor makeover, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, if you did like it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up down below. Also, while you're down there, be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you here. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell so that you are notified every time that I upload a new video. Don't forget to follow any of my social media. I'll have them here on the screen as well as the description down below. But be sure to follow my Instagram. I'm very active on there outside of YouTube. If you want to keep up with me, it's at _itsangelsarah. With that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.